Alright, yama obi yakwaba enano pay ewie anyumre enfamra eye se obe network as usual me so ba. Don't forget say obe subscribe na fe unso ere. Unso wetimi ahye transe exclusive. Ayaboabo no na wonsam ana ere obe som na fe timi ebon pa na yetimi eko yensam ni so. But first of all, manisha asem fanfi Asante Kotoko training grounds. Na sisi aka chom se preseason egusu a ekoso. And yenya yetime say in fact Stelimenzo abaye one ye refer say everything kala omujumadi om edi no you could see say enema guna komi ya Asante Kotoko ebetima fa ne tuma pede enso etime fa o season a yababa romu ewo eye yenkomunum na makasa mede de bia sama akopa no makase sene eye refer say everything kala abaye ne hu profile ne niama opese woye se boys no ochro no se omutimi di super papa me ye sure pass a pitch no so no ye se bia first game enko so no na Asante Kotoko ye kasa fofo e team no mu but we fe support no enfama owura ye fe ne se everything kala mo afa no dwumadi no enso entimi enko so enna omutro so e pajo na ene Asante Kotoko training session no ebesan so de etimi atwa so de mapeke ne se the plan of Asante Kotoko ene se anopa 9:30 bia no omo be training session na fina nyumre omo wurem ewo AJ aye sports complex eno anopa wa hwe me ewo aye Isa Kotoko bia no me confirm ba mo se omo wotidi pa se o Legon park na da wonu mu na o de compare Asante Kotoko training na wonu na difference dem no omo wu se emu wa bebre ene so be ko Legon o ko training o sa pitch na the same like Asante Kotoko training grounds where they are okokoda okokoboka no adentina ne ye mafie nya femere ye mama to so nyere emfamfia. That is why enemy no kasai Asante Kotoko training no omre be pim e kumase omo yere omo so elto so ma bibia de enso tima okama the lives of a branch friend say Asis Haruna Diary Chum omo nyere enso eltweni and the same goalkeepers e honom. Don't forget Kamara they out into Busami Kamara ni so yere onka ho afei Patrick Esiedu obenya abranche friend say eye Musa Hamzata Zakaria Fuseni Joseph Amwa what I say Francis Akwa omunyi na guso mere omo eye training Prince Badu Dogo Yakubu Hubeto Lawson Che Techi Abu Adams Saka Dauda Johnson Opon Kwame Poku Philip Amo afebenya abranche friend say eye Musa Adams Musa omunyi na ere omuni team enso eye training Isaac Minta enso tima return na me no ka say we training ama bibia dey enso etimi akosie na decision for owe fair say eye Stalmanzo no the director of football anyway ano pay me bisa say relevant anasisi no place omo piano instead of say kemo omo ere relaxe na komo stay full fit no asa ye baba training grounds bia no omo around en komo kakra me di say we order from owe fair say Stalmanzo an kasa na order place na omo piano say omumra ma fe omama training bi rather than say omo betina fie eti place omo pra ohun se dan hom bebre awo training grounds on no latest by this week dem pekele say ombeba but omo ba ohun so mo ye omo training bi etuko training grounds ata ho branch face Andrews intim anumu a enye bibia Stelimenzo ankasa na no penkoma medi hwese o da omo se omumra training grounds no afede ekosubia no omo fo omo nye de enhwe se na be omo return aba enkwe difficult anya den enso emfa nye de ema wo. That is information aba enano pay ye de won se na den enso ema no pay enso ho a enya sam ketwa but the matter any person reporters omo de ema ye kire se press bi ayokeka abasoro. Yes, I want to compare some coaches bi amaba na hebo ni coach oba ni trainer do mu edina according to the reporters on more grounds and they say some place be performance on e show no amu that the list of Asante Kotoko e betimi e jam ko mo kono adwen such ere enso betima ba. Yes, adwen such ere enso betima ba if someone to also say ya dia ye de eno so dem e de emamo ye beka say new players anything e training a Cameroon players anything e training but according to the report and tell me say baku e can say a defender or say goalkeeper that is Cameroon players on where on grounds no. But I can confirm it to say, and I know can say, Asante Kotoko strikers, no, I be o. The rest of Albert Samoa were out. Kwan Boku, Obanya Isaac Minta. So if there's only two strikers, you say, maybe you know, since you have been I heard the entity MWOW. And I pay and come on, my teacher say, Asante Kotoko expect new South Africa striker, Patrotimiye. Asante Kotoko expect new South African striker. And let us by next week. Oko Asante Kotoko training grounds. That's a who sa striker now. Don't forget the confidence. My confidence the any amount. So I know so the enso betima bana for ba so na ho ade ade enso tima hwe. It's press and we ni woman Kotoko training nyina no. Yam form ye the ewra team straight. Fine, menzo accept it. I would think I accept it. No, it's so many that the SO Mon de Shansan and why the Omajomatum. It's new South Africa striker, and check. And also bet Malande, not for Robert Johnny Timna Fabua, I'm a big brother, and so ex Akosua, you don't want someone at the elemental. I can't house of folk, the team. Also, really send someone a peta. Now, you say, has a bit my day. Etimetia omakani nyina na fe omo transfer no etime biara omo na fe motima sign place story number 2 eniye den komo medi kire se the lawyer edema owe fence rene de wa confirm dem no pese still enya de a ha sika sem se enam from mu no ababeto omo account mu but message ne lawyer ne se omo nya botre ending of this month house of folk ebetua omusika edi amomo ending of this month house of folk ebetua omusika edi amomo enta pepper no pepper mo so beteki board decision bi no omunjai that is information aba ye don say mede edi emomuto enso eho ye nchensem papa na ere ko me tell story madaka cho say so addicted Vision FC, omo player no. Player and America se class in HS no. Na mabaka sa Asante Kotoko, eni abresa omo ne sa brantere enso be ye adwuma. I can confirm it to you and I'm a person. Ure o samatata. Samatas abom ansi se America say. Omo use omo new head coach first na management because na management ana sisi America say no. Anu ankasa aye boy no akura watete o Vision FC and the true management no was start here all convincing about a friend so agete na na fe o ma mesina kan and from FC Samates amade me pikin say the type of boy no aye willing says the no kasai also bet ma accept na fe what ma johnny na ama bibia de enso tima ko kama ye de ehun se me de e de emamuto enso e wo ho on say my coach is a former player in the Mbaba. Yes. Godwin Amodi. E bia o dance Asante Kotoko tebusu. Ko over the club house no ma. Cause club house ma me fama say their mate ni say be hu senior players of club house no. All fam. Next season be hu senior players of club house no all fam. Pe dem apike no. Sumo e ma dwindwen. Etimi se me bia but asate now there junior team no anasese de me pick ne say pay for person mo de club house dey e de emo but the time amaka yesu ni ama dwendwen no ene say god na body dey no therefore say obi ani mudu so if say so balance obe maintain fi ono ma e de come ne say dey enso betima ba that is why god na body nkomo na dey etima page but enya no nkomo na dey midi editro enti yebere se ne maide enso ebesi akọ abante fe ne se baba yaya baba contract with Asante Kotoko no I will be a wo and me ankasa mabeka baba so natural say baba ye finish the bedroom a person move on boy e chance ni release letter Asante Kotoko form pay for it and so betim the ediama no and then ba ko aka ama baba ye move ready and so tima hold on na anopo de mapeke say House of Folk Asante area enquiries for branch friend say baba ya ho patrotimi o House of Folk Asante area enquiries so amunya former Kivelsa former and I said former Kotoko I mean so former fansho because they met about to also be informal Asante Kotoko House about Roma and me no ka say omone baba ya dey and so e din komo pa anu odin I can confirm it to you. Tisa what is baba anto so bi anfama bobuko e fene se Asante Kotoko a e ma no enye ho just a miracles bi na besi the boy na kasa ko nya happy so be to so da makra e fene se Asante Kotoko tenu so baba ya de tewa aba e de won se me de e de e ma mo e ho makasa jima no enchi o se na be story se enchi ni Kotoko ensem ho obekaya me na me be sa story no se ensem bo e ho Bene go ahead na the enswet maba. Emra wo hwe mo inside Kotoko bia no pan me catch mo say. Plus won me Manchester Menzo no. Omo hodi omo sara win on. Se dabi. Omo ntu omo ka. Zemono enchi kwa bipoku. This is the latest two players. Ana sisi ameno ka say. Now go ahead Emma in time pese me dey. Me this story no. Ana say ni power this story Emma me no. Etemeno ka say baba ya and asa branch friend say zimuno enchi and we first come poku place ya omo salary enya de enso entimi enko because selemenzo eto inside the from no omo anye omo ama anapay medin komo demo peke say empayfo ama a branch friend zimuno enchi 3 days and then kwada jawada ifiada sasa wa retenia omobe suspend jimano enchi that is latest update ekuta me amede emao awo sa story no na boy no so da tun pay for nim say owu boni awaye fine want me ama maybe enema be here esi ni kwan be so be hodu ni salary die ont me fire ye for pan ema me adwuma wa bra wuntua ne ka and answer me no ka say kwa me poku enzima no entwinye no omo demande omo salary e da free pay for fine kwa poku e twene no but entwi de ono kwa no person movie on dada but mess entwi say protect Asante Kotoko e no when your branch friend say wale name of Fuseni omo ye part it's mo be entwi bia mesrew mutu boy no fo Jumana enchi mutunifo Sestali menzo I think la omonya time a monitor oni a branch first wale name of say omo videos that is why me make a choice omo say na me ndia make na say me be twantro confirm me try be twantro na me ndia make take you be obi admisro 3 days ago when we for report na bra until latest update our home so dey eno na be wonsam no e de emamo David Obinyako ya beka no wonsam a kire mo se Obinyako esie no Asante Kotoko adwuma ne de esie no o fa ba bia eda ho eno adwuma de ko so nkan buburu mantem ni po ko si Asante Kotoko anamu David Obinyako onya part of Asante Kotoko a ya ma wonko ene ka obi anko ti the moment I want David Obinyako akwa wati microphone eda to mpem first or the branch manager or representative Asante Kotoko wa confirm ni move ndada e say asset now eye nguvu eye mining limited for mpem for officially what is somebody Asante Kotoko partner ye adwuma over be sponsor Asante Kotoko ye confirm the amount say enye program keke na course sa akwa Openya fe say David Obinya kono ni juma bi okodiye okogye ede ma Asante Kotoko no wan kogyina mu sa akwa eye botai ode botai akowie we a cross meeting out of him a cross meeting out of him after say juma de ne ba na wie no what about modern are convincing people ama se say monoka so ma accept. So the next year be remi in Google Mine Limited from pay for ebe sponsor Asante Kotoko done na wie said Saana latest update any I can confirm it to you say Abante friend said Saana House of Folk Mediama Asante Kotoko and Epeno latest update and say House of Folk at the 2 years contract and I'm Abante friend said Saana the first season sika obere mama no o ma propose e de mama the second season sika obere mama no o ma propose e de mama Mediama Sporting Club e de atonim e said Saana nim say omuyan for just 1 year after 1 year then 1 year option e da wo de e de ma Abante friend said Saana 2 Asante Kotoko for pay for Jame picking sa ene Amoni Abante friend said Saana e be meeting exclusive meeting a chese e baso na Asante Kotoko meeting omo e kono omo the improve offer e kokoma aye Abante friend said because sika has e person no ma said Saana no Mediama Sporting Club e de ne e wo so bebre e de chen House of Folk because 580 there enye bia better Mediama de sika sam no apeja Besana so culture the company say onya ready na obese that is information about ye di emamo etine Asante Kotoko na Abante said Saana exclusive meeting e ba so ene adema picking this Asante Kotoko a huge offer and eko no from how say bibia dey enso betima ko so kama ye de won sam no e di emamo to enso no ma enya sanke 20 the person is Kotoko bepe yes Kayos United defender Feza Gariba omu here boy ni gidigidi pa a ti sare sun koma na dey egusu a ekoso ena na pay ye de won sam no e di emamo to o na fi abo ma dwumadi no enso atimi akokoma me so ba don't forget so ba be so so be na fi onso wetima share